and welcome back to the garage. So I have some new mods for my 2022 BMW M340i. Let's go ahead and walk on over to my toolbox. I'll show you what I have upcoming and some new stuff that's en route as of right now. Doing burger tuning wheel spacers, 13 millimeter front and rear. Of course, you get your extended bolts, wheel pin when you get two sets. Good size 13 millimeter and anti-seize. So we'll have the DIY here coming up in the next few days of the wheel spacers. Then I'm gonna jump over and just show you guys how easy it is to do the painted reflectors. These are from I&D Distribution. They paint matched it, so this is black sapphire metallic, so it matches my car. All you have to do is pull this down and you'll have this double-sided sticky tape there. And they just paint the stock part. This is what you pay for. You do get a stock BMW part, so no aftermarket or nothing. And these do really good. I&D does a really great job, and the other one is right under here. And that will complete the look that I have going for my M340. Then, just like any other BMW, I'm gonna do some coding through Beamer code. So I'm using the MHD tuning right here, so that way I can then connect to my app and do some different option changes, digital tack changes, all that good jazz on the car. Then I'm doing the oil catch can setup. This is the one for burger tuning for the B58. Obviously the whole kit that you need. And then I'll be doing the DIY on that so you guys can see how easy it is to install all three items. I already have the MST intake. That DIY was already just recently done, so you guys want to definitely check that out. It looks so good in the engine bay, and it sounds amazing on the B58. So that's the upcoming mods that I have for the M340i here. I'm working on doing an M Performance exhaust for this car. We're still going to do that, different wheels, different tire setup, of course. A much more aggressive staggered setup versus what I have currently today being stocks. And I'm looking forward to transforming my M340i. All right, guys, until next video, take care.